Why is this place like so empty? Hamza's filmed this elevator before. This is at like a hair salon in Westbury or something. I don't even know. Garden City. I don't even know where the hell I am. Jeez, that's loud. Blue indicator, that's cool. Alright, do we have a motor? I have no idea what's up here, well, I guess we'll find out. Just nothing. I guess the actual place is like on the second floor. Burlington serves the first, I guess. Definitely a newer installation. This thing is hospital sized. Very strange. Yeah, average Thyssenkrupp. Guess I'll listen to the motor going up. Red indicator on the exterior indicator, that's very interesting. Alright, that's it.